Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have a game changer for all you dash cam enthusiasts out there. The Samsung Pro Endurance 128GB micro SD XC memory card. This memory card is not your average storage solution. It's designed specifically for dash cams, body cams, and security cameras, making it the best SD card for your valuable recordings. Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk about its incredible endurance. As the name suggests, the Samsung Pro Endurance is built to last. It's engineered to withstand the harshest conditions, ensuring you capture every crucial moment in high resolution, even during extreme weather. With capacities up to 256 GB, this memory card can record and rewrite up to a staggering 140,000 hours. That's over 16 years of continuous recording. Plus, it comes with a warranty of up to 5 years, so you can trust your data to endure. But it's not just about endurance, it's about performance too. The Pro Endurance simplifies large file transfers with read-write speeds up to 40 megabytes per second. Whether you're recording in full HD or 4K resolution, it ensures that every detail is documented when it matters most. Now, here's the impressive part. This memory card can handle it all. It stands up against magnets, X-rays, water, drops, and wear and tear. Plus, it stays cool under pressure with operating temperatures ranging from -25°C to 85°C. Your critical data is truly safeguarded. Samsung, the world's #1 flash memory brand since 2003, delivers exceptional performance and reliability. All firmware and components, including Samsung's world-renowned DRAM and NAND, are produced in-house, ensuring top-notch quality. But wait, there's more. This memory card is not only suitable for dash cams but also for gaming consoles, tablets, drones, cameras, and smartphones. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to your tech arsenal. So, there you have it, the Samsung Pro Endurance 128GB micro SD XC memory card, the best SD card for dash cams, body cams, and security cameras. With extreme endurance, robust durability, and top-tier performance, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to capture and protect their crucial moments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.